A little rainy. Yeah, I find the key to this lock. To this bike! I don't want to pick American race. Oh my god! Are you kidding me? We got... Wow! We'll pick the Magnum. We'll pick this bike. I think that's a nice cloudy day. We'll take this bike, the 18 speed. There's my American, there's my other bike. So I have two bikes. This one still runs and goes, but just don't feel like driving off of this one. We'll take the American racing one. Take this one. I already need to clean. Clean my other bike off, it's leaking too. Right. I think we'll go run around a little bit with this bike. Oh, my camera's dying. Oh, no, we're filling colors. No, yes. Oh, yes. It looks like I have mess clean up when I get back home. There's American racing bike. I'll take this one. I think we'll drive on the new sidewalk. First day. Ooh. Oh, maybe not. Oh, jeez. Everybody knows that's something wrong with wrong with the railing. Back shifted. Oh, there it goes. It's in first. Let me do that. Here we go. They won't catch. There we go. And we're off. Oh yeah, stop. buddy.